Surry Community College is your partner in pursuing a rewarding career in fire and rescue services. With a range of courses available both on campus and throughout local organizations in Surry and Yadkin counties, we provide the training you need to excel in this vital field. Our programs cover firefighting, technical rescue, hazardous materials management, and traffic incident management. Whether you're just starting out or seeking to enhance your skills, we have courses tailored to your needs, such as fire officer, driver operator, aerial operator, fire inspector, as well as fire and life safety educator, along with several others. With classes offered on campus and through local partnerships, we make it easy for you to access training close to home. Save time and travel expenses while getting the education you need. Stay up to date with the latest techniques and regulations to better serve your community or advance your career. For current fire and rescue personnel, we offer opportunities to maintain certifications and expand your expertise. North Carolina boasts a robust fire and rescue service with dedicated professionals serving in departments across the state. The North Carolina Fire and Rescue Commission sets high standards for certification, ensuring that firefighters and rescue workers are well-trained and prepared for any situation. Surry Community College's Fire and Rescue Division follows the North Carolina Fire and Rescue Commission testing policy for all certification tests, maintaining the integrity and reliability of the certification process. Surry Community College's Firefighter Academy is available, tuition-free, to North Carolina high school juniors and seniors through the Career and College Promise Dual Enrollment Program. Most firefighters are volunteers striving to serve their communities and make them as safe as possible. Students affiliated with North Carolina Fire Department and rescue squads are eligible for tuition waivers. The average starting salary locally for fire and rescue personnel is $33,000 to $66,000. Enroll today and take the first step towards a fulfilling career in fire and rescue services to make a difference in your community.